Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Nissan Z Expert Review. Billy Ray. What Nissan did right by its fanbase when it introduced the 7th generation Z sports car for the 2023 model year. Not only does its retro modern exterior styling pull from past versions of the brand's iconic coupe, it also added the refinement and tech that was missing from the 370 Z. For 2024, Nissan is adding a high-performance Z Nismo variant. The 2024 Nissan Z competes with other premium sports cars including the Toyota Supra and BMW 2 Series. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron. Nissan retained the 370Z's platform when it built the current version of the Z for 2023, but pretty much everything else about this performance coupe is new. On the outside, retro styling meets the modern day with distinctive LED headlights and taillights. Its twin-turbocharged V6 engine kicks out more power. There are bigger screens on offer, and Nissan includes more safety technology than before. For the 2024 model year, the Nissan Z revives the higher performance Nismo model. Also, all Z cars get the Amazon Alexa digital assistant built in. What we think? Chevron. With unmistakable exterior styling, the Nissan Z excels as an affordable two-seater touring car. Its planted, comfortable ride and powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine make for enjoyable highway cruising. Cabin noise, fit, and finish are vastly improved over the previous generation version of Nissan's sports car. We just wish the Z retained its charm when the road gets twisty. Despite its dashing new looks, a heavy curb weight and slow steering made for disengaged dynamics during our testing. The available limited slip differential helps the 2024 Z's cornering characteristics, but Nissan only offers it on higher trim models. Equipping the manual transmission helps with involving driver, but the 3-pedals setup could use more refinement. A new 2024 Nissan Z Nismo, which receives unique aero and more power, is on the way. It seems to be more engaging than the standard model despite the fact it won't be available with a manual transmission. That said, we're looking forward to testing the car. Performance and MPGs. Chevron. The 2024 Nissan Z uses a 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged V6 engine that churns out 400 horsepower and 350 pounds-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard and a 9-speed automatic is also available. Rear-wheel drive is the only layout offered for the 2024 Z. In our testing of the manual Nissan Z, we accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. That time dropped to 4.3 seconds for the automatic version. The EPA rated the 2023 Nissan Z at 18, 19, 24 to 28 miles per gallon city, highway. What about the Z Nismo? This variant ups the ante with 420 horsepower and 384 pounds-feet of torque from its twin-turbo V6. A 9-speed automatic is the only available transmission, much to the chagrin of enthusiasts. 2024 Nissan Z Nismo, the details. Chevron. A hardcore version of the Z arrives in fall 2023 with upgrades provided by Nissan's high-performance division, Nismo. The impending 2024 Nissan Z Nismo boasts 20 more horsepower and 34 more pound-feet of torque than the regular model. Sticky tires, Nismo-specific wheels, upgraded aero, stiffer suspension, and bigger brakes accompany the powertrain modifications. The red-themed interior features leather and suede Recaro seats and Nismo badging. Here's hoping the Nissan Z Nismo will be the best version of the Z yet. Safety features. Chevron Nissan will likely equip the 2024 Z with the same suite of active safety technology as the previous model year. We expect every version of the 2024 Nissan Z to come equipped with automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, and forward collision warning. Cargo space and interior room. Chevron The two-seater Nissan Z features a cockpit-like interior with 42.9 inches of legroom and 38.2 inches of headroom. The cabin is about the same size as that of the Toyota Supra, which has 42.2 inches of legroom and 38.3 inches of headroom. Under the hatch, the 2024 Z will accommodate 6.9 cubic feet of cargo, which is down on the Supra's 10.2 cubes. Technology. Chevron Nissan equips the Z's base Sport trim with a 12.3-inch configurable gauge cluster display and an 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 6-speaker sound system is standard. Stepping up to the Z Performance added active noise cancellation, navigation, 4-way power adjustable seats, a 9.0-inch infotainment display, and an 8-speaker Bose audio system. Recommended trim. Chevron for 2023, the Nissan Z was offered in 3 trims: Sport, Performance, and Proto Spec. For driving enthusiasts, we recommend the Nissan Z Performance, which comes equipped with the limited slip differential, 19-inch raised alloys wheels, Akbono 4-piston front brake calipers with 14-inch rotors, and front and rear spoilers. The Z Performance also gets the 4-way power adjustable seats, and top-end infotainment and sound systems on offer, making this the more luxurious choice in addition to being the sportier variant. Our opinion on which trim is best could change, however, if the Nismo version manages to satiate our need for speed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.